Today, Southern Gardening is back at the Flower Bed Nursery in Lumberton, Mississippi, admiring some of their colorful evergreen shrubs. Juliet Cleyera is a stunning evergreen shrub, known for its vibrant, multicolored foliage. The leaves emerge in shades of bronze or red before maturing to glossy green with white cream-colored edges, creating a dynamic and eye-catching display throughout the year. This compact and dense shrub typically grows 6 to 8 feet tall and 4 to 6 feet wide, making it an excellent choice for hedges. Hardy in USDA zones 7 through 10, Juliet Cleyera is a versatile and low-maintenance choice for any garden. Another colorful shrub, Lemon Abelia, is a versatile and attractive evergreen shrub, perfect for adding vibrant color and texture to the landscape. Its standout feature is its variegated foliage with bright yellow and green leaves that create a cheerful, luminous effect year-round in the landscape. Typically, Lemon Abelia grows to a compact size of 3 to 4 feet tall and is hardy in USDA zones 6 through 9. Lemon Abelia also shows good resistance to deer and is relatively pest-free. Occasional pruning can help maintain its shape, though it naturally grows in a tidy, rounded form. With their vibrant evergreen foliage, both of these plants provide year-round color in gardens and landscapes. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.